The Curriculum for Wales, a journey to purposeful learning. The Curriculum for Wales requires a new approach to curriculum design, one that is focused on supporting learners to progress towards the four purposes. This series of videos is designed to support your curriculum design processes. Each video supports expectations for designing learning through the lens of one of the 6 areas of learning and experience within the Curriculum for Wales framework. We will explore how the progress of learners can be improved through designing learning experiences with purpose, making deliberate decisions around why specific learning matters and is worthy of a place within our school-level curriculum design. In this video, we will focus on the Humanities area as a vehicle to supporting learners in realising the 4 purposes. The Humanities area engages learners with the issues facing humanity, including sustainability and social change, and helps to develop the skills necessary to interpret and articulate the past and the present, from geography to history, religion, values and ethics, business studies and social studies. Whilst each discipline of humanities has its own specific body of knowledge, skills and experiences, they also share common themes, concepts and opportunities for transferring learning to new and unfamiliar contexts. This purpose can become lost if we only base our curriculum design on learning a body of knowledge or simply a topic or theme. Our expectations for curriculum design within Curriculum for Wales encourages us to maintain a focus on the conceptual understanding within the statements of what matters. When we design curriculum content, we need to ensure that it allows learners to progress in the ways described in the principles of progression. In addition to deepening the understanding of the ideas and disciplines within the areas, our goal is to ensure that learners are becoming increasingly effective and supported to make connections and transfer this learning to meet increasingly challenging ideas. For example, if we choose to select the Reformation as worthy of a place in our school curriculum, we could limit its purpose to just a topic we might usually associate with Henry VIII and the break with Rome. A learner might struggle to see the wider importance and relevance of this learning as they develop. In a content-only driven approach, we risk learners simply focusing on facts, names and dates with limited experience and skill development beyond the topic at hand. Learners may gain an impressive knowledge of the Reformation and later perhaps of the conflict in Northern Ireland, but they might not appreciate the impact of the Reformation on the conflict in Northern Ireland, or both on the wider impact of religion and society. With a content-driven approach, historical and societal parallels and wider understanding risks being lost to an overcrowded list of topics that stand in isolation or are only superficially linked. As the Curriculum for Wales evolves, we must move from this content-only learning approach, which prioritises the what, to a new approach that prioritises the why of learning. This new approach supports learners to see the wider relevance and purpose of a topic or issue by reframing it as an example designed to explore a larger concept, process, theme or principle. This enables each school and setting to understand how the National Curriculum for Wales framework is used to design learning that builds on what your learners already understand and have experienced. In this way, we can still include specific topics, knowledge, skills or experiences, but by reflecting upon and interrogating the why of teaching that topic or theme, we can develop it into a richer, more purposeful learning experience. Now, going back to the example of studying the Reformation, as we continue to ask why, the relevance and purpose of our topic expands ever wider. We have ensured that it has greater purpose to understand a wider concept such as an understanding of the impact of religion on society, or the concepts of sectarianism and religious conflict over time, or the impact of technology on sharing ideas. We might explore how the advent of Protestantism led to non-conformism in Wales, or how it informed concepts of Welsh national consciousness, which in turn informs an understanding of one or more of the statements of what matters for humanities, such as how human societies are complex and diverse, shaped by human actions and beliefs. Replacing the teaching of isolated topics with a focus on broader conceptual understanding illustrated by significant people, events or issues facing humanity, we move learners from the feeling that they are working through a list of unconnected topics to a place where they can see wider concepts and draw parallels and connections between different areas of their curriculum, creating a richer, more engaging and purposeful learning experience for all. So, what next? You can access further support on Hub to guide you on your journey to realise the curriculum for Wales. Education in Wales is evolving to ensure our young people are equipped with the knowledge, skills and experiences that will support them now and in the future.